Hello, this is Anna Stevens from the Power Path School of Shamanism, and today I'm going to show you how to smudge a space or clean the energy of a space using a smudge stick. So I'm going to be using this smudge stick today. This is white sage from the coast of California, and smudge is a really nice way to clean the energy of a space or a person. If you want to know how to clean a person, watch the YouTube on how to clean a person. And I'm going to be using my turkey fan here, my little piece of a turkey wing, to move the smoke about. So just like before, the first step is to call upon my ally. This is actually an ally. Most people, when they smudge, they don't think about that. They just light it up and they just go to work. But you're way more effective if you talk to the ally first. So this is a plant. This sage has a spirit. And so it's the spirit of the sage that we're actually calling on to do the work of cleaning the energy of the space. So I'm going to talk to it just like I would talk to any ally. So you always want to start with gratitude and with compliments. So I'm going to say, beautiful, beautiful white sage from the coast of California. You are so powerful. You're such a good cleaner of energy. Thank you so much for being of service in this way. And today I'm asking you to clean the energy of this space here, to clean out anything that's not in resonance with myself, with the people that live here, with the people that are in here. And I'm asking you to clean out any old energy, any negativity, any thought forms, anything that doesn't belong here, so that we can bring in fresh, beautiful, bright energy. So that's it. Now I'm ready to go. Now I can light my smudge stick, and the sage is going to do the work through its smoke. So you just want to get it going here with a nice little flame. And when you're doing a large space, you want to make sure that it is lit enough that the smoke is going to go for a while. Now we've got some nice smoke. So now I'm going to use my turkey feathers to move the smoke about. And I've already asked the ally to clean the space, so that's what it's doing with its smoke. And I'm just going to move it around, making sure that the smoke gets into every little crevice, every little place. You know, I can do things in the room specifically, pieces of furniture, things like that. I want to pay particular attention of corners. We're obviously in a yurt right now, so there's not too many corners, but if you're in a square room or a room with lots of corners, you want to make sure to get all the corners, both up and down, and you can move about the space. You can walk getting everything. Like so. And then when you're finished, you just thank your ally. Thank you so, so much for cleaning this space out, for doing this good work, and you can put it out. And you can use it again. A smudge stick can be used many, many times. And you can use other things besides white sage as well. But sage is a wonderful one to use, and it smells really good, and most people like it in their space versus some of the other things.